Good morning, Team Aldersley. Hope you're all safe and well and ready for today's virtual school. So, what will today bring? I'm sure there will be loads of amazing lessons, some fantastic challenges for you to take part in, lots of interaction between our staff and students, and support for those who need it. What an amazing week it's been so far. Just look at all these wonderful tweets from both our staff and our students. Students showcasing the fantastic work they have been doing, lots of independent work being done, praise from our teachers for individual students as well as great groups of students. It's great to see our students getting involved in the challenges set through our assemblies as well as by our heads of house. It's great to look forward to the future. So a lot of things in the UK might be on hold at the moment, but at Aldersley we are still looking forward to the future and looking forward to transition for our Year 7s and our new students in the Amethyst Sixth Form. Yesterday Miss Butler set her challenges, and these were in recognition of the fantastic work that is being done by nurses all around the world. So how many of you did shine a light from your window at 8:30 to recognise the work of the nurses? How many of you decided to do that little bit extra to make your house a nice place for everyone? And did you get a chance to reflect on the things that you are grateful for? Those things that you would normally take for granted. Today's assembly, we'll be looking at inspirational young people. Think about a time when you made a difference to someone's life. You may have been involved in fundraising, such as a sponsored walk or a sponsored silence. Perhaps you volunteered your time to help others by manning a stall at a fundraising event, or helping elderly people with their shopping. These are all great ways to help others and to make a difference. Today we are going to look at some young people who have taken their sense of social responsibility even further in their aim to help others. They live in different parts of the world and their contributions are very different, but they all share the same sense of responsibility and compassion. They all aim to make other people's lives better. I have selected 4 young people for my assembly, but there are hundreds more out there. Have a look and see what difference are the young people making to everyone's life, making life better for others. So the first person I've chosen is Greta. Greta was born in 2003. She's a Swedish teen activist who has become a leading voice for climate change. Secondly, we have Malala. Malala campaigned for the need for girls to have proper access to education. At the age of 14, she was shot in the head by a gunman on a school bus. This didn't, however, stop her, and her campaign has continued. We have Jack. Jack, at the age of 15, invented what appeared to be a new, cheap way to detect pancreatic cancer. His efforts helped him win $75,000. The work that he has done is still continuing with lots of research and testing, and his product might be on the market soon. Amika, another young girl, after reading about a charity which usually provided menstrual products to girls in Africa, but having to redirect their products to the UK because there were girls who couldn't afford them, Mika decided to do something to fight period poverty in the UK. In light of all the work she did, in March 2019, the UK government announced it would be funding free sanitary products in all English schools and colleges. That's 4 very different projects, 4 very different things that these young people were passionate about. But they all led to making our lives better for one another. I just want you to spend a few minutes thinking about the people whose stories we've just heard. And like I said, there are many more that you can find online. All of these people are courageous, caring, and compassionate young people. All of them were inspired to make a positive change by raising awareness of issues that were important to them. They wanted to make the future better for other people. Can you think of a way in which you might make a difference? Your idea may not be one that will grow into a huge worldwide project, but I'm sure it will help to make someone's life a little bit better. So what will you do to make a difference? Whilst you're thinking about what you can do, why not think about all those young people who have made a difference to you? Your friends, your peers, your siblings, what have they done for you? Let's celebrate the little things that we do for each other, the little things that you appreciate, the little things that may have inspired you or made a difference in your day. Over the next week, myself and the heads of house would like you to tweet or post in your house team a photo or a message thanking someone for making a difference, thanking someone for that little thing that they have done to inspire you. So, what are today's challenges? So, the first thing I want you to do, I want you to focus on yourself. Take time out for yourself. Do something that you enjoy. That could be taking a walk, listen to your music, sitting in the garden, reading a book. Just take some time out for yourself. The second challenge is to tweet or post in your house team a message or a picture to a young person who has inspired you. Let them know what they have done to make that difference. In our Meaningful May calendar, today is your chance to do something to care for the natural world. So what could you do? You may decide to make a concerted effort to do some recycling, or maybe some gardening, or maybe put some food or some water out for wildlife. There is so much that you could do to get involved. And finally, keeping safe. Make sure that if you need any support today, you email the correct person. Stay safe, enjoy today's day, and I look forward to seeing all the fantastic things that you achieve today and all the wonderful things that you achieve based on the challenges set today.